Hey everyone, what's up? I'm Crafts with Crashly. As you can see here, I am doing a cooking video. Mindy Mom, challenge accepted, baby. I'm gonna make your banana bread eat dirt. Yeah, just kidding. Anyway, so I'm gonna be making the most easiest lemon cookie recipe ever. It is like if I can do it, you can do it, right? That's my motto. Just kidding. So those of you who are new to the channel, hey, but who don't know, Crashly does not cook. My wonderful husband cooks and he loves every minute of it. Right, Kerwin? Mm-hmm. See, he ain't complaining. So I don't cook anything. I burn cereal. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. Oh, and yes, the fire department has been notified that I will be doing this tonight, so we're making lemon cookies, and I'm going to link this recipe that I found below. But yeah, so first thing you'll need is a box of lemon cake mix, and it doesn't really matter what brand or what kind. Looks like Kerwin bought this from Hy-Vee. So gonna open the box. Oh, and I guess really the first thing would be to preheat your oven to 375, which I already did. If you heard that beep, that was it saying, hey, I'm done preheating. My oven can talk, in case you guys didn't know that. So we're gonna pour it into this big old bowl here. Oh yeah, maybe I should tell you the other ingredients we'll need. Well, okay, this is my first cooking video, y'all. So, you'll need a box of lemon cake mix. Hey. Okay, and then you're also gonna need, what is it? 1/3 cup of oil. So the recipe I read called for vegetable oil. I use, what is this called? What's it called? Oh, coconut oil. And I just have it sitting in warm water in a cup. Warm water, oil's in here. Because coconut oil is stiff until you warm it up. Yeah, so 1/3 cup of oil, either coconut oil or vegetable oil, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of lemon extract. Oh, and some confectioner's sugar, or, you know, powdered sugar. Confectioner's sugar is the fancy word. Anyway, that's what you'll need. So, I'm gonna start off by cracking my eggs. So we need 2 eggs. And for the record, I don't cook. However, I've baked a time or two in my day successfully. Thank you very much. If y'all didn't see that whip and chat where I, there we go, showed my birthday cake adventures. And Jennifer actually gave me egg cracking tips. Look how good I am now, girlfriend. Hey. Okay, anyway. So now I'm going to take my oil here and not knock that over. And I'm just gonna wipe the bottom of my cup here because it's got water on it. So I just put like 4 giant scoops in this cup because I'm sure it will measure differently when it's wet because this oil is stiff. So I just put a bunch in here and now I'm gonna measure it. So this is 1/3 cup of oil. I'm using coconut oil. That'll do. Oh man, I guess I got too much in there. Not by a lot. Not too shabby. Lemon extract. And I think that's pretty much just to flavor it more. So I guess you don't really necessarily have to have it, but it adds some extra super deliciousness to it. And you need 1 teaspoon lemon extract. This part freaks me out. Oh, see, I spilled some. Not a lot, it'll be all right. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Okay, I'll put that in my other dirty dishes. Now we're gonna stir it. This is like the best lemon cookie recipe ever. Well, these are now my favorite cookies. My mother-in-law actually made these for Christmas, I think. Yes, for Christmas. And oh my gosh, they were so good. And then she said it's super easy, like even you can do it. Yeah, I know, right? Hardy har har. So yeah, she taught me how to do this. She's the bomb. Of course, I then soon forgot, so I had to look up the recipe still, but you know, it is what it is. Ugh. Stirry stir. Doesn't it already look delicious though? Sorry if you hear talking in the background. Kerwin's on the phone now. I think he actually might be talking to my mother-in-law. Probably. Look at that doughy yumminess. Oh my gosh, this is a workout. I'm gonna look like Jason Momoa, Aquaman after this dough. Ooh. No white powder. No kind of white powder is good for anyone. Unless it's powdered sugar. Heyo. Just kidding. I'm kind of kidding, because it is delicious. That looks pretty stirred, I think. There. Set this over here. Now I'm gonna try it because I'm that way. Oh my god, it's so good. The first person who tells me, well, eggs are bad for you. I know. I'm okay with that. I really am. Okay, so now, set all this stuff out to the side here. I'm going to get my powdered sugar. And this is my cookie scooper. I think it's like a tablespoon. Pretty sure. But it scoops cookies for me. Now, this is my baking sheet. Just a regular old baking sheet wrapped in tinfoil. So I don't have to do dishes because, yeah, ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so the scooper's sweet. So you get the same size cookie every single time. Scoop. All right, and yes, I wash my hands, they're all clean. And you're gonna roll it up and then like throw it in the sugar. Like, you know, show this cookie who's boss. Then we're gonna set it on the baking sheet. Roll, roll, roll. Yes, powdered sugar fingers. Okay, I'll probably speed this part up because this is gonna take me a minute. Okay, so now here they are in their delicious looking goodness. Probably need to spread these out a little bit more though. So this probably makes like 2 batches. Last time I made it, I got 2 batches anyway. So I have those, plus I have all this left. So yeah, I'll probably get 2 batches out of this. So, oh, these need to come together a little bit. It's gotta be perfect. Just kidding. Power of the unicorn. Okay, now I'm going to put it in the oven for 8 minutes. Yum, yum, yum. And here they are, right out of the oven. So I'm gonna let them cool for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna dig in. These are so easy and absolutely delicious. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a big ol' thumbs up. See ya!